In this session, we learned about a number of different types of retirement plans available to employees and self-employed taxpayers. As you noted, contributions to these plans will be deducted as an adjustment to income on page 1 of Form 1040. Other personal adjustments, such as student loan interest and tuitions and fees, pertain to education. Finally, we finished up the discussion of adjustments by talking about the health savings account and other adjustments that occasionally may appear on a taxpayer's 1040 form. When you have finished reading and completing the assignments in Module 1, you'll be prepared to complete the first part of the 1040 form, including the adjusted gross income calculation. Module 2, completing the tax return, will train you in various tax deductions, tax credits, and additional taxes, which will enable you to finalize the tax return for virtually every individual with whom you might potentially work. Here are the tax-saving tips for Session 10. 1. Counsel your clients to roll over their retirement plans when changing jobs or program providers to avoid an early withdrawal penalty. 2. The general rule is that if a client is under 40 years old, he should choose a Roth IRA. If over 40, he should choose a traditional IRA. Nonetheless, everyone's situation is a bit different, so further analysis is always recommended. 3. If your client is the only employee in his business, suggest he look into an individual 401k plan.
Congratulations on completing Module 1, Establishing the Tax Foundation. During this module, you learned the entire process for determining income and adjustments to income, which will factor into the adjusted gross income. In fact, you have covered all the information necessary to prepare Part 1 of the Form 1040. In addition, you've been able to test your knowledge by completing many of the forms required to support the tax return. Now, it's suggested that you take the optional online exam for Module 1 by following the instructions in your material. With Module 1 completed, you're ready to begin Module 2, Becoming the 1040 Expert. In this module, you will complete your study of the 1040 return by learning how to use and calculate the standard or itemized deduction, how to arrive at taxable income, and how to calculate the resulting income tax. You'll also be able to calculate additional taxes that may be necessary, as well as any refundable and non-refundable credits that may be available. And finally, Module 2 will train you how to complete the 1040 return for your clients and submit it to the IRS.